Come on. That's cool.
In that way you can tell, we know these ones are about 17 years old because they were bred in captivity. But that most of that cast on the head, that hole in the head.
William, you want to feed them? Yeah.
That's just because of me, she doesn't like me. But if you want to feed her, she'll quite happily take the food from your fingers, just pass it straight through the fence there.
You sure of that?
That's all I'll let you do it. No, she's pretty good with fingers and feet, but they just hate the keepers, these birds.
Oh, you don't like me.
But these possibly are the most dangerous animal we've got on the place here. The crocs are much more predictable, whereas these are a very unpredictable bird. They can run about 50 kilometres an hour, so you're not going to outrun them on the land.
Why do you raise them?
Sorry?
Are they edible or something? Why do you?
Yeah, they are, yeah. They're not anymore, like they're very, very highly protected. The Aborigines, New Guinea, they still eat them in some parts.
Are they a little bit like ostrich? Do they taste like an ostrich?
I haven't tried ostrich. It's supposed to be similar to emu, but I don't know anyone that's really ever tasted one of these because they have been protected for a long time now.
I know.
Those ranges out so it's really, the habitat's coastal rainforest areas. All that stuff you threw up from Cairns this morning, did you? Or? So all that stuff from Cairns, we see all those sugarcane paddocks and new housing estates, is all the habitat for these birds. So we're basically wiping out all the habitat, it's not giving them anywhere to live now. Look at your snakes over here as well. There's completely armless snake. You can see it's armless, it's got no legs at all. Big spotted. This one here. This one's slightly venomous, but it's really not too dangerous to humans at all. This is a colubrid, so the colubrids are one of the most common
This is a carpet python. Spotted python.
Look at that at me saying, where's that finger?
Very good, you're getting me a good shot. Look at that. Okay,
Two snakes coming out of your yard.
brown tree snake.
It can, like the mice and the rats can kill the snakes as well. Like in a wild situation, it's never going to happen. But in here, the snake just might not be hungry. Sometimes you might feed it, it won't eat. It might go 3 or 4 weeks and it just won't eat. So if the snake's like that, if it's been nice and lazy, if the temperature's too cold, the mouse might try and defend itself and start eating and start chewing away at the snake, and the snake will often just sit there and let it die and die from it. So they'll get, the biggest I'll get to sort of about...
Whistling spider.
How can somebody do that?
Oh yeah, it's a water monitor up there. And there's the lace monitor back there.
What are they just sitting up? See?
Oh, lovely. Hello.
Take that for Ian's kid.
The skin under his chin here puffs up and there's like a really big spiky beard. These make great pets, these guys, got a lot of character. Most of the dragons do territorial things like arm waving and head bobbing and stuff like that. So if you have got them, even if you see wild ones, you can even start waving your arm around in slow motions and you get these guys doing the same thing as well. Have a pat if you like there.
Scaly.
Yeah, it's fairly spiky, yeah. There should be a frill neck in here somewhere as well. Look at these. They keep moving around, aren't they?
He's looking at their flag. I don't think he's going to get their flag on.
Yeah, clean touch will always be a problem. Sticks his beak through his body. The bird's the worst thing. The big boy.
Oh, hello? Hello.
We got some back in there.
Here is the second largest in Australia. The females can have a wingspan of up to 2.2 metres, so it's a substantial eagle. And what they will do is they will actually come down, when there's more time, it comes back. There you go.
So far away.
Anybody like chicken nuggets?
Not after today.
Been told.